Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions for ZTE Blade A71. And to do this we'll need to launch our settings. Inside find the features, it's this icon right here. Then go for gestures and motions, and here you can see all of them. First one is 3-finger pinch for a screenshot. Make sure that it's enabled. You can enter it and try it if you want, but it works like this. You need to pinch your 3 fingers to make it a screenshot, and yeah, it does what it says. Next one is raise to wake. If you enable it and click on the setting, you'll be able to wake up your phone without pressing any button. Simply pick it up and it should raise, it should wake. Next is auto answer. To answer an incoming call, just put the phone up your ear and it works as it says basically, but you need to enable it. Next one is a pocket mode. If you enable it, it will reduce the amount of times or even disable all of the times your phone unlocks and just works in your pocket. Flip to mute. You can put your phone backwards like that, and it should mute all incoming calls. Snooze, dismiss, and alarm. So if you enable it, you can tap to snooze. When an alarm goes off, tap the screen with 3 or more fingers to snooze it. The alarm may go off again depending on your snooze settings for the alarms. And yeah, it works like that. Turn over to dismiss. When alarm goes off, turn the phone over to dismiss it. If you enable this setting, it will work for both of them, and that might be very useful if you just want to sleep more. Change the earpiece. Here, if you enable it, you can put the phone up to your ear to turn off speakerphone when you're in a call. And that might be useful if you have a lot of calls and want to use a speaker or disable it quickly. Touch disable mode. To avoid unintended activation on the lock screen when in pocket, you enable it and your phone shouldn't unlock as usually does in your pocket. Shake to turn on flashlight, so enter it. That's always a bit tricky setting on any phone, but you need to shake your phone to turn on flashlight. And oh, it worked for a second. Yeah, it works like that. Now to disable it, just repeat the same motion. On this phone it works very well, on some phones it doesn't. And that's basically all of the gestures and motions on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.